The enigma of Pi curiosity and speculation. Picoin has emerged as one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in recent times. Its unique approach and the mystery surrounding its future have captivated the imagination of many. Picoin has taken the world by storm. From casual conversations in coffee shops to heated debates in online forums, everyone seems to have an opinion about Picoin. The buzz is undeniable, and the excitement is contagious. It has generated immense curiosity. People are diving deep into research, attending seminars, and joining online communities to learn more about this intriguing cryptocurrency. The thirst for knowledge about Picoin is insatiable. People are eager to know its future price. Will it skyrocket? The potential for massive gains has many investors on the edge of their seats, constantly monitoring market trends and predictions, or will it fade into obscurity? The speculation is rife. Some skeptics argue that Picoin might just be another passing fad, while others believe it has the potential to revolutionize the cryptocurrency landscape. The project's unique approach to mining on mobile devices has attracted millions of users. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful hardware, Picoin can be mined using a simple smartphone, making it accessible to a broader audience. This has fueled the excitement. The ease of mining and the promise of future rewards have led to a surge in user engagement. Online forums and social media platforms are buzzing with discussions, theories, and predictions about Picoin. Pi's journey from a novel concept to a live mainnet has been closely watched. The development team has been transparent about their progress, regularly updating the community and building anticipation for each milestone. The lack of immediate listing on exchanges after mainnet launch has only heightened the intrigue. Many are speculating about the reasons behind this decision and what it means for the future of Picoin. This has led to a flurry of predictions and analyses. Experts and enthusiasts alike are trying to decode the potential impact of Picoin on the broader cryptocurrency market. Will it disrupt the status quo or blend into the background? Everyone is trying to decipher the code. The technical aspects of Picoin, from its consensus algorithm to its security features, are being scrutinized by developers and analysts. The quest to understand Picoin's inner workings is relentless. Will Picoin live up to the hype? Only time will tell. The anticipation is palpable, and the community is eagerly waiting for the next big announcement or development. But one thing is for sure, the curiosity surrounding Pi is palpable. As the world watches and waits, the story of Picoin continues to unfold, capturing the imagination of millions. Decoding Pi's value factors at play. Several factors will influence Pi's price trajectory. Understanding these factors is crucial for anyone looking to invest in or use Pi. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and influenced by a myriad of elements that can change rapidly. One crucial element is the balance between supply and demand. The basic economic principle of supply and demand plays a significant role in determining the value of any asset, including cryptocurrencies like Pi. How much Pi is available? The total supply of Pi coins in circulation can affect its scarcity and consequently its value. If the supply is limited and demand is high, the price is likely to increase. How much do people want it? Demand is driven by various factors, including the perceived utility of Pi, its acceptance in the market, and the overall sentiment towards cryptocurrencies. Adoption is another key driver. The rate at which people and businesses start using Pi for transactions can significantly impact its value. Higher adoption rates generally lead to increased demand. Will businesses and consumers embrace Pi? The willingness of businesses to accept Pi as a form of payment, and the readiness of consumers to use it, can create a positive feedback loop, driving up its value. If so, its value could surge. A surge in value can attract more investors, further increasing demand and creating a cycle of growth. The overall crypto market sentiment will also play a role. Market sentiment can be influenced by news, social media, and the actions of major investors. Positive sentiment can drive prices up, while negative sentiment can have the opposite effect. A bullish market could lift Pi's price. In a bullish market, investors are optimistic and prices tend to rise, benefiting all cryptocurrencies including Pi. Conversely, a bearish market could drag it down. Regulation is another wild card. In a bearish market, pessimism prevails, and prices tend to fall. Regulatory actions can add another layer of complexity. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Regulatory decisions can have a profound impact on the market, either fostering growth or stifling innovation. their decisions could impact Pi's future. As governments establish clearer regulations, the market may respond with increased stability or volatility, depending on the nature of the regulations. Gazing into the crystal ball. Expert predictions. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, making accurate predictions is both an art and a science. Experts from various fields come together to analyze trends, historical data, and market sentiment to forecast the future of digital currencies. These predictions can have a significant impact on investor decisions and market movements. Before Pi's mainnet launch, analysts offered a range of price predictions. Some were optimistic, envisioning a bright future for Pi network. They believed that the unique approach of Pi, which allows users to mine cryptocurrency on their mobile phones, could lead to widespread adoption and significant price appreciation. These analysts pointed to the growing interest in decentralized finance and the increasing number of users joining the Pi network as positive indicators. The Crypto Times, for instance, projected a potential high of $220.46 in 2025. This optimistic forecast was based on the assumption that Pi network would successfully navigate the challenges of scaling its blockchain and maintaining user engagement. The publication highlighted the potential for Pi to become a major player in the cryptocurrency space, competing with established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Others, however, were more cautious. Coin Dataflow, for example, suggested a much lower range, emphasizing Pi's speculative nature. They pointed out that while Pi's innovative approach was intriguing, there were significant risks involved. The platform's success depended on its ability to deliver on its promises and build a robust ecosystem. Coin Dataflow's analysts warned that without clear use cases and strong developer support, Pi's value could remain low or even decline. However, it's important to note that these predictions were made before Pi's mainnet launch and the subsequent enclosed mainnet period. During this phase, the network was closed to external transactions, allowing the team to focus on security and scalability. This period was crucial for testing the network's capabilities and ensuring that it could handle a large number of transactions without compromising performance. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving. New technologies, regulatory changes, and market dynamics can all influence the value of digital currencies. As a result, predictions made in the early stages of a cryptocurrency's development may no longer be accurate. Investors need to stay informed and be prepared to adapt to changing conditions. These early predictions may no longer be accurate. As Pi network continues to develop and more information becomes available, analysts will update their forecasts to reflect the latest data. It's a reminder that in the world of cryptocurrency, nothing is set in stone, and flexibility is key to navigating this exciting and unpredictable market. Pi versus the Titans, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Comparisons to Bitcoin and Ethereum are inevitable. Bitcoin's meteoric rise serves as a tempting roadmap, but Pi faces different challenges. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. It had the first mover advantage. Pi enters a much more crowded market. Ethereum's success with smart contracts and decentralized applications highlights the importance of utility. For Pi to thrive, it needs to offer real-world use cases. Section 5. The verdict: Pi's potential and community hopes. Whether Pi coin will reach new heights remains uncertain. The project has generated significant buzz. Its large and passionate community is a testament to its potential. However, the true test will come with exchange listings and wider adoption. Until then, Pi's price remains a mystery. The community's hopes are high. They believe in Pi's vision of a more inclusive and accessible digital economy. Only time will tell if Pi can deliver on its promise. Section 6. Navigating the uncertain future, a waiting game. The crypto market is notoriously volatile. Predicting price movements is a fool's errand. This is especially true for a relatively new project like Pi. The best course of action is to wait and observe. See how the project develops. Pay attention to key milestones such as exchange listings. Pay attention to key milestones such as partnerships. Don't get caught up in the hype. Make informed decisions based on facts and analysis. Section 7. Building value, the importance of utility and ecosystem. For Pi to achieve long-term success, it needs to move beyond speculation. It needs to demonstrate real-world utility. This means developing a robust ecosystem of applications and services that leverage Pi's unique features. Partnerships will be crucial. Pi needs to integrate with existing businesses and platforms. This will drive adoption and create value for Pi holders. Section 8, the power of the crowd, community, as a driving force. Pi's community is one of its greatest assets. Millions of users around the world believe in the project's vision. This passionate community can be a powerful force for adoption and growth. They can spread the word about Pi. They can encourage businesses to accept Pi as payment. Pi's success will depend in part on harnessing the power of its community. Section 9. Conclusion, a coin flip of potential and uncertainty. PiCoin stands at a crossroads. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about cryptocurrency, but it also faces significant challenges. The future is uncertain. It's a coin flip. Will Pi soar to new heights, or will it fade into obscurity? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the journey of PiCoin will be fascinating to watch.